This is a quick guide to setting up the teamwork.com MCP server so ChatGPT can create everything from tasks and projects, manage tickets, and more across teamwork.com and Teamwork Desk. First step is to go to your teamwork.com account and from the settings section, turn on Teamwork MCP Server. We'll do the rest of the setup in ChatGPT. Firstly, go to Workspace Settings and then select Apps and Connectors. From here, select Create, and when asked, you're going to have to enable Developer Mode. Next is to fill in the name and the description, which can be whatever you want, but the important thing here is the MCP server URL, which is mcp.ai.teamwork.com. Select your authentication and tick I understand and want to continue. You'll then be asked to log into your teamwork.com account, and if you're a member of multiple accounts, just select the one that you want to use. On the next screen, select Allow, which lets ChatGPT read and write your teamwork data. And then the teamwork.com MCP server is connected. Next, just click Publish, review the potential risks, and then one last time, click Publish again. And that's it. Next, just hit back to chat, turn off developer mode if you want, and then back to your own individual settings. Apps and connectors, you're going to see the teamwork.com MCP server. Now we're going to connect it to our specific account. We can continue to the Teamwork MCP server, and then you're going to be asked to log in. Log into whichever Teamwork account that you want to use it with. And now you can use ChatGPT to work seamlessly across teamwork.com and Teamwork Desk.